Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a beautiful blue smoky eye topped with pigment, which is perfect for a cocktail look. As always, I start with the skin prep and then follow it up with the brows. Next, I start with the eyeshadow base and I only apply it in the outer periphery of the eye, particularly inner corners being the most important क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एक eyeshadow base से उसमें pop आता है. And then very carefully I apply a black base, and वो जो black के edges have to be perfectly blended into the pillowy base that I have already applied. और मैं black base करते ही उसके ऊपर blue eyeshadow deposit कर देती हूँ because I do not want any kind of cracks on it. And because we want to keep it ultra glamorous today, I'm also adding a hint of pigment on it, only in the center. Eyes को further define करने के लिए I do a smoky eyeliner and I set it with a black eyeshadow as well. And for a look like this, I highly recommend lots of mascara. For deeper skin tones like Era, I do like to use a little bit of orange corrector for discoloration and pigmentation that they have on their skin. However, वो सब करने से पहले I have applied a primer. Guys, you can find all the details in the description box. Concealer लगाने के बाद I also apply a foundation and I make sure that the foundation is not too light because it tends to oxidize then. For the added glow today, I'm also going to use an illuminator on Era's skin. Illuminator is a tricky product and I do feel कि आपका application बहुत quick होना चाहिए because this is one product that really dries up really soon. So make sure your movements are really fast. Today for the contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty shade in Caramel Cutie, and I feel this is a very nice color for deeper Indian skin tones. And I top it up with the MAC blush in shade Ambering Rose. This is one of my other favorite blushers for deeper skin tones. And I have used two more blushers. Do check out the description box for details. And then I set everything into place and I use the Huda Beauty Blondie powder and I also use the Nari Studio fix. To further define those eyes, I'm adding a little brown to the lower lash line. I also add mascara, and of course I'm going to use lashes from my own brand, the Nari Studio, and we are launching very soon. To complete the look, I'm going to do beautiful nude lips, and I start with the Nykaa lip liners. For a look like this, I do feel nude glossy lips do look the best. So I hope you like this glamorous cocktail look in a blue gown topped with diamonds. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And if you wish to see a certain tutorial, do let me know. I would love to film it for you.